Elkirk, by the way. I can never understand what he's saying because he's always talking Japanese. What's he saying? I says to Les Blackwood. He says, how would I know? He says, I used to work with these guys and couldn't understand them. The Japs. Anyways, this was a show introduced by the main man himself, Dave the Brick Elliot, all the way from Jenny Moore's Road. As I said, this show was produced by Dancing Dave himself. Did you hear me dancing? Well, you know, I thought I could dance, but well, you never know. Miracles happen. Some say good old bricks, others tell the truth. Anyways, as I said, this show was produced by the man himself, Dave the Brick Elliot, introduced by the man himself. As I said, we had the lottery show last night, and for £1,500. Unfortunately, no winners. Some pretty close, but not close enough, I'll tell you. There was what was that number? You're a mad fool, I'll tell you. I'm not getting this right at all. But never mind. I've got the numbers here. The numbers were 17, 20 and 23. That was the winners. That was the numbers. There wasn't one. Number 17, number 20 and number 23. As I said, no winners. Somebody had 2 or 3 numbers in the right positions, but not the third one. Unfortunately, as I said. So we're going on to this week when it's £1,600. Don't delay. Get your ticket today, I'll tell you. You could be £1,600 richer, but never mind. Anyways, from the banks of the River Tweed, from the slopes of the Eildon Hills, from that public toilet in Newtown called the council offices, they've all been listening to the Dave the Brick Elliot show, I'll tell you. Keep listening in because I'll be back. I'll be back on Sunday night at 5 o'clock, between 5 and 5:30, with a lottery draw for £1,600. Keep tuning in because I've made hundreds of these mad programmes. You listen to them, you'll laugh. Either that or you'll cry. I'll tell you, but never mind. As I said, I'll be back next week, same time, same place. But I'll be on, I'm still on live. You just keep on listening because I'll be here. You know, you can't get rid of the brick. I'll tell you. I've now got a wooden heart. I think Colin Taylor has. But never mind. As I said, until the next time, it's goodbye from Brick.